Hello everyone, with artprograms. In this video we connect package Flutter Rating Bar, open project, add to PubSpec YAML, and now we using Flutter Rating Bar, using Rating Bar Builder, update project, the bug show checked non-banner false, then we write child, then we write rating bar builder, and we add parameter initial rating, write 3, then we write min rating 1, then we add direction, write axis horizontal, then we add allow half rating, write true, add item count 5, then we add item padding edge insets dot symmetric, write horizontal 4.0, add const, then we work with parameter item builder, write context, write icons dot star, write colors dot amber, and the on rating update write rating, and we write log developer add rating, write to string, save, hot restart, and we test rating bar builder. Now we using rating bar, remove information, write rating bar, and we use rating widget. Now we add parameters, initial rating 3, direction axis horizontal, allow half rating, write true, write item count 5, write rating widget, write image assets, and we use image heart png, next heart half, then heart border, then we write rating and update image. Write height 3t, width 3t, copy information, save, add log, save, hot restart and test. And we add padding. Next, we're using rating bar builder with index. Remove information. Write rating bar builder. Write parameter initial rating 3, item count 5, write context index. Now we write size that box. Write rating, then we write log rating to string, save. Now we use switch case. Write index, write case 0, return icon, icons dot segment vary decertificate, add color, write colors red, red accent, then natural, amber, satisfied, light green, then very satisfied, green, write default, write return sized box, add const, hot restart, And now we use image. Write image, asset, assets, logo.png, item size 35, hot restart, and we add item padding, edge insets all 4, and now we using Flutter Rating Bar indicator, and we use text field widget, write late, final, write rating controller, then we add variable user rating, .0, and we add variable icon data. Selected icon. Write init state, rating controller, write text editing controller, write text 3.0, save, then we remove information, add widget column, write main axis alignment, center, add widget rating bar indicator, write rating, add user rating, item builder, we write context, index, write return, write icon, then selected icon or icons dot star, write color, write colors amber, write item count 5, then we write item size 15.0, next unrated color, write colors dot amber dot with alpha 15, next we write direction axis dot horizontal, save, next we add sized box, height 25, save, add const, Then we write text form field, add controller, add rating controller, write keyboard type, write text input type, number, write direction, write input direction, border, then we write outline input border, then we write hind text, write enter rating, write label text, add enter rating, then we add suffix icon, write material button, write on pressed, write user rating, then you write double parse, add rating controller, write text 0.0, write set state and add child, write widget text, write rate, hot restart, and we add padding, symmetric, horizontal, 16, hot restart, write 1, 2, half, 6, 7, 8, write 5. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.